Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Today we are getting ready to take the boat out, go fishing. Got my dad with me. We're going for some crappie. We're going for some slabs. If this doesn't look like the slab man himself.
Good morning.
You a pro now?
No, but I dress like one.
Hey, you gotta dress to impress.
That's right.
Confidence is key. Look at that. You even know how to read a live scope?
Yes. When I turn it on, it's alive. When I turn it off, it's dead.
Oh, we're gonna have some fun today. It's gonna be a good episode. Dad does have himself a live scope down there on the Harris chain. He lives on Lake Griffin down in Florida. Retired down there, moved from Missouri.
Yep.
You loving it?
I'm loving it.
Yep.
Loving it.
And you're actually staying retired. I'm surprised.
Well, yeah.
Just working on the house and fishing and
in people's houses.
Swimming
Yeah.
in people's houses.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dad's a fixer-upper. All right. Let's go fix us up some crappie.
Let's do that.
It is a beautiful morning out here. We just unhooked the boat. All ready to go. It's gonna be good. Somebody's got the kayaking set up here. This looks like my buddy TJ, but I don't think it is. That's sweet. Looks real close to my buddy TJ, Kayak USA, if you've seen him on YouTube. Anyways, let's go catch him. Sun is not quite up yet. It's gonna be beautiful. Real quick, before we jump into today's episode, let's go ahead and check the Deep Dive app and see what they are doing on Guntersville Lake as far as current for these crappie. Look like 22,000 gallons a second is how much water they're moving. The lake's 1.5 feet low. Might pull them out to the brush a little better, but I really like that they're pulling 22,000 gallons. If they're pulling 20,000 gallons or more, it's easier to catch them. And then for bass, it gives your top baits, best areas to fish. Water clarity estimate map, that is key to knowing what colors to use, but one really cool new feature is this wind effects map. And so we're gonna go look down at the south end here. You can see the windier side of the lake is brighter orange, and it's only blowing at 5 right now, but it changes throughout the day, and you can check it and see how it will change the windy parts of the lake. And they'll be feeding more. The bait fish will be stirred up more. Could be good. So I'm excited. The wind is not really going to be blowing too much where we are going today. Let's go get them. All right, we just graphed under the bridge here, and I want to show you what I saw by this first piling. Look at that. Those are crappie. We might have to hit those later, but we're going to go look at a brush pile real quick. I gotta tie on another jig while we're waiting for Dad here. I broke off last on a big old spotted bass. We are going, I think we're gonna use this little chartreuse one. It's a little big. Let's go with the 1/32 white one. It's an ACC head. Bending the hook out a little bit. Better hookup ratio. You got a lutein on it. You don't want your jig looking like it's straight up and down in the water. You don't want it looking like a margarita. You want it looking as flat as a pizza. Throw on a little jig. We're gonna tie us a knot about 1.5 feet up the line. Throw on a little weight. this thing down there quicker. We'll throw some Thump Gel on right before we start. What's up?
I just like I seen beer cans floating around.
That's not good. Why are people throwing beer cans in the water? Alright. Now we're rigged up. Let's see if we can get it connected. A lot of bait. Oh, there it is. Alright. There's the pile. Oh, it's beautiful this morning. Wow. Look at them all swimming into the pile right now.
Actually, you're to the right more.
Yeah.
A little farther out, actually.
I would go to the right a little more. See this, Dad? See my jig? Alright, so if you jig it till they see it sometimes. Yeah. There's a bass or something on the screen right there. Got him. Yep. Number one for the day, Dad.
Cool.
Slabbing into the sunrise. Got out here at just the right time. There you go.
Okay,
Keep it up over his head, just barely. He's coming. Yep. Right, raise it and keep it still. That's a small keeper. We're gonna have us a little fish fry. We'll do a catch, clean, and cook in this video. Yeah, our Thump Net. There we go. All right.
Where am I at?
I don't know. Oh, there you are.
It is, yep.
See it. Let it fall all the way down to him. I think that one's mine. Oh, here they come. Here he comes. He sees it. He's looking at it. Trailing it.
I guess it did.
Got him. Oh, biggin'.
Well,
Yeah, that's a good crappie there. All right. Man, he smoked it. I thought he was bigger than that. Those black crappie fight hard. 10-incher though. All right. That's awesome. Got the old Thump Net. Let's go. Throw a little more of this on. See a white arrow? Right past, well, right there. All right, well, so let it fall down right on their head. Then one sees it, so stop it. He comes right up to it. Oh. That's a big one. Woo, it's a big one of the day. Look at that one. Look at that one, Dad.
nice.
Look at that one, folks. Into the sunrise. Beautiful slab. That's what I'm talking about there. Catching big old slabs. Got the ACC 130. Oh no! Feisty. He about jumped in the water. He's been asking me about my setups more lately. We got us a Lose Speed Spin 200 reel. I think it's a Wally Marshall Crappie series. We got us an ACC 7-foot one piece, and you saw what I tied on. A little 1/32 ounce ACC head. Right there, Dad. Oh, here he comes. Stop it above him. Barely above him. There you go. Now reel. There you go. We got us a big one. He looked big. Oh, yeah. Dang, Dad, that's a white crappie. I don't catch too many of those. Look at that one. That's a giant.
It is a giant.
Woo! hold him out to that one. Look at that one, folks. Big old slab. That's a good one to start the day. Real good one to start the day there, Dad. Got one. You're gonna make mine look like a baby. It is a baby. I'm throwing him back. Look.
Yeah, that is a kind of a tiny one.
Yeah. All right, we already got 4 or 5 in there. Hopefully you're able to see a little bit about what we're looking at and how we're fishing for these, even though I'm not recording live scope. All right, go ahead, Dad. There you go. You got your cast on. I can tell you got live scope. All right, stop it right above this dude. He's gonna eat a little lower. Oh, one already sees it. There he comes. So you got it? Real.
Doesn't have it.
No? Dang. He's coming. Don't drop it below him. That's a big one. Oh gosh. If you drop it below them, they turn away every time. Oh, there's my jig. Sometimes when you dance it above them like this and get their attention, they love it, but not today. Got him. That's a good one. Ooh, yeah. Oh, wow. Go from that baby you just caught to this 12-incher. We'll take that. Look at that. Ooh, I got one spot we could go that might have some big ones. Doesn't have too much eel grass.
Huh.
You got one following it.
Little dinker.
Got it. Yeah, there's a little one. All right, we're right on top of him now. Then it's not swimming away from them. They get a longer look at it. I think those are bluegill though. Got him. Nope. It's a crappie. That's a good one. Yep, straight up and down. That's what I like to do, folks. I sit off the pile. So whether you're using live scope or not, if you graph a pile and drop a buoy on it or something, and cast to it a bunch first till you quit getting bit, then go up on it and jig straight up and down. Did you miss one?
I did. Won't bite.
I'm dropping on them. See what they do. Oh, here they come. Yep, little guy. Little guy.
Father.
I can all shoot up for it.
Ooh, that's a decent one.
Yeah?
No.
Is it a keeper? Not, not quite. Almost a keeper, huh? I need a new jig. Well, we caught probably 20 fish off this pile. I don't know, 8 keepers.
Oh. I don't have none of that fancy stuff. You can widen it.
Yeah, you just gotta go into the settings.
I don't even have this kind of a knob or nothing though.
No, you just have to do it like this. Menu. Menu. Oh my gosh.
What'd you want to?
Menu. Got one. little guy. And then you go to forward range and you change it. That's all I'm doing.
Oh, so you just went for, you're only going out 30 feet on your deal.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go, Dad.
I didn't even see him on scope. I just scoped him.
Straight down. Easy catch and release right there. Let's go to another pile. Alright.
You got to.
We caught a bunch out of it. Look at him shoot over to it. Did you get him? If that's a keeper, we'll stay.
This is a keeper.
You would
This
catch
is
a
a
keeper.
keeper right here.
That is a keeper. All right, we'll stay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a big one, Dad. Nice.
Slabbing.
Look at you go.
Now that's some slabbing.
Yeah, that's a real good one. All right. Dad just reduced up. Caught another good one. Making me stay. See how many we have. We have one, two, three. Quit flopping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 9. 1/3 of the way there almost. Excuse me. Crank gel. Yeah. We've been using that chartreuse juice. That's gonna do it. Cloud cover's been nice. All right, hop to one side. Can't hog the whole front.
Tracking me.
There you are. You just had one go for it, I think.
Tap, tap. Oh.
I got a crappie coming after mine. Got him. That's a keeper. Yep. All right. We moved piles. We got 2 more keepers so far. Dad got one and I got one. Put that crank gel on.
What?
That white one I got out.
Is there differences in these?
Just the color.
Huh?
Just the color. Oh yeah. Biggin. Woohoo, yeah.
There you go.
All right. Good one. Oh, I missed the net. Like a rookie. I'm just gonna grab him before he gets too far. That's a 12-incher. Woo! Number 13.
Panicky.
Yeah. There's a big fish in there right now. I want to catch it. Got him. That's not a bluegill. It's out there, Dad. That's not a bluegill. That's number 14. This one?
Big peck underneath, didn't it?
That one bit while I was just holding it. I moved it up like an inch and just held it.
Oh, another peck. Wow.
Oh, there's a crappie. The lower crank gel one. Actually, let's move piles first. They're kind of done here. Caught 4 though. It's not bad out of a bamboo pile. Old bamboo, what you gonna do? All right, they're biting. We've caught a few. Yeah, caught a big old white crappie. Been pretty fun. We're gonna keep running around. We got a few in the Thump Net so far, but we need at least 15 to 30 to make a meal. We gotta feed these people. We gotta feed these people. We're gonna keep finding them. Go to some different brush piles, look around. Yeah, they look hungry. New pile, here we go. Dousing up. Don't want to mess up. Have them nibble it and get spooky on me. Alright. Yeah. Go ahead, Dad. I'll let you catch one. Give it some slack. Here. Let it pinch. There you go. Alright, you're down far enough. Here they come. You got one on, I think. No. He's coming. Let it fall on their head too much. He's still following it. Now he's gone. He came all the way off that pile. Trying to mess him up on me, Dad.
It's a small little pile. A brush pile. Oh, there you go.
Yep. Got one. Don't let it fall. Keeper. Wait it. Alright, just got us a nice crappie. We got a boat graphing us, marking my brush pile. That's alright. Does look good. Let's see what happens. Got it. Keeper. Keeper. He wanted it. All right. This one is still. That's the spot right there. Right there. I think. Got one. Oh, yeah. Look at that one. That'll do it. What we got, 18? I think we got 18. See where you went?
Pink one.
All right, try that. We'll give them something they haven't seen. See it? First cast, okay. Put you on a shad one, huh?
Shad color one. That's a decent one, right?
Oh, that's a big one. Isn't that crazy? We're coming by those fish every cast. Switch the color. That's a big one. Wow.
Nice.
Nice one, Dad.
Hey, just relax.
He's
Got
whooping
too much
you.
energy. Too much energy.
Too much energy. Too much footwork.
Nice. That other one off?
Yeah. That's a good one, Dad.
Nice.
Didn't eat it.
Decent size, man.
Yeah. They're eating that shad color, Dad. My first cast with it. All right. Quit it. "10-incher. I think that's 22. I like that. You see where you're at? You're letting it fall. Keep it coming up. There you go, Dad. Boom. Another keeper. Another keeper.
Fun to watch him come up and hit it, isn't it?
Yeah. Dad, that's the secret right there. That pink Thump Gel and the shad colored little jig. Doubled up. Can you believe that? Went from not catching any to bam, 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 bam. Wow. I can't believe that little change. Little change produced a big change in their mood. That's for sure. Oh my gosh, they're already coming up for it. No, that's a big fish. I don't know what that was. Let's go, Dad. Nice.
I'm gonna bring me back some of these things to Missouri.
What?
Missouri. I'm thinking Missouri. It's the pink and the. I've got the Crappie.
Yeah. All right, just getting here. Picking the rig up over Ford. Good day of fishing, Dad.
It was a good day.
It was. Got Randy out here. What's up?
I'm doing good, Norby. How you
doing
doing?
good?
Yeah,
I'm
y'all
doing
didn't
good.
invite me to go fishing. What else?
I know. We didn't have any crickets. I knew you only
No
wanted to
crickets.
fish with crickets.
That's right.
We caught them on little crappie jigs today.
Oh, did you?
Caught a bunch
How
of
deep
them.
of water is y'all?
We're in 15, 20 foot.
Okay.
Yeah, down
Yeah.
there a little deeper. Yeah. Yeah. But how's thing's been going?
Them old crickets wouldn't last that far down there, would they?
No. There were a lot of little bluegill,
Yeah.
but no big ones.
Well, they're probably 10 foot.
Yeah.
Gotta move up a little
Up in the grass.
Yeah.
But you got any? What do you got going on for?
You know, everything's good here. You know, we got a great inventory of new Broncos, new ones and used ones. And yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but we got a bass boat.
I see that.
Yeah.
What's that doing there?
We traded for it. And then,
Okay.
yeah, it's for sale.
Is it
Yeah,
really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Aluminum bass tracker?
Yeah.
What year is it?
I think it's, I don't know.
That's
I think
cool.
It's a 20 model.
Check that out, guys. They got a bass boat over there,
Yeah.
back behind the Bronco. Go check it out. Go check it out. Come up here, Gilbert and Ball Ford in Albertville. Tell Randy I sent you.
Yeah, somebody come take me fishing. I can't get Andrew to take me. So,
We're gonna get out of there.
yeah, we're gonna do that.
If I can ever get this man
Yeah.
out of here, he works too hard.
Come by and see us. You know, we got a great selection of new and pre-owned cars. All of our cars run through the shop, do a 172-point inspection on them before we put them out here for sale. So we take care of our customers. Number
You
one
do.
Ford dealership in the United States on reputation.com.
That's right.
Do a great job.
And you get a free oil change every 3 oil changes.
Every fourth one's free.
Every
you
fourth
come
one's
3
free.
times, I take care of the fourth one.
Yep. And good service department. They got all sorts of used new trucks. You're looking for one, come check them out. Thanks.
Check our website, GilbertBallFord.com.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
All right. Well, let's look at these crappie. We're gonna go home and flay them up. All right. Time to pull out all of our crappie. Come on closer, Dad. I think we got close to 30 on the Thump Net. I'm just gonna dump it. There they are. Make sure none of them got out. Nope. They were all in there. That's good. Gosh, look at that big white crappie you caught.
Nice.
Time to flay. All right, so quickest way to flay a crappie, right here. Got your gut bucket, got your flay bucket. Take your electric knife, go behind the back, down the side, flop that flay over, cut right around the ribs, and cut your flay off the skin. Don't have to debone it. Flay is perfect. And you can slide your fish carcass right into the gut bucket. Now flay them all up. We got some good crappie, Dad.
We did.
Woo! Just like that. Big old flay. All right. Woo! Hope you enjoyed today's video. We flayed up some fish. Gonna have a fish fry. That was fun. ACC sticks, putting in work. You've been asking me what my favorite one is. And for casting, I really like the 7-foot or the 7.5 foot. It depends if you're going deep. I like the 7.5 foot medium. And if you're going less than 15 feet, I like the 7-foot medium light. And if you're shooting docks, this 6-foot one piece right here. Whew, shoot them right up under there. But we were not doing that today. We had a blast. Hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you. We're gonna get out of here. We'll catch you on the next one here at Fishing with Norby.